Tired of digging through your bag for hair essentials? This hair accessories kit solves that with its bold, bright colors that make it impossible to lose in your luggage, handbag, or backpack. It's designed to stand out, so you always know exactly where your kit is, no more frantic searching. Inside, you get everything you need to keep your hair looking great on the move. A printed stretch headband with no-slip silicone dots ensures a secure fit, while 2 scrunchies and 4 bobby pins are neatly organized in an elastic mesh slip pocket. Everything stays put and ready to use whenever you need it. The compact size is another highlight. Measuring just 4 inches wide and 1 inch deep, this kit fits easily into any bag without taking up extra space. It's perfect for travel, daily commutes, or simply keeping your desk or drawer tidy. Small but mighty, it keeps your essentials within reach. Durability meets convenience with easy care instructions. Just machine wash cold on a gentle cycle, use only non-chlorine bleach if needed, and lay flat to dry. This kit holds up wash after wash, so it's a reliable companion for everyday use. Customers in the United States rave about it. One user praised the quality, comparing it to well-known brands and recommending it wholeheartedly. Another pointed out the cute design and versatility, using the case for earbuds and charging cords beyond just hair accessories. If you travel often or just want to keep your essentials organized, this kit is a smart choice. It's not only stylish but practical, ideal for carrying phone chargers, earbuds, and more alongside your hair tools. That kind of multi-use convenience makes a real difference when you're on the go. If that's you, someone who values both style and function, this hair accessories kit is worth a look. It keeps your items secure, easy to find, and neatly arranged wherever life takes you. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your daily organization. Make your daily routine smoother and your travel less stressful with this vibrant, compact kit. Stay organized, save time, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your essentials are always right where you need them.